okay? So I'm going to do some Jalapeño Popper inspired egg rolls, okay? No, you probably never heard it before because it just came to my head the other day. I was like, oh, that'd be cool to do. I don't really want a big jalapeno with bread on it, you know what I'm saying? I would rather do it this way.
It's true.
So, y'all ready for this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
put that chicken in there. 'Cause that's so good.
I know, I'm so
Take a little
hungry,
piece,
guys.
Jab. Take a little piece of that chicken.
Wait,
Yeah.
can you get two? One for me, one for you. Yes,
Go ahead, grab
It's okay, I'll eat now. Alright, is it really, really good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You guys.
So what I did was I
I can't wait to eat this.
roasted some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I seasoned them up really good. I also have some cayenne candy bacon, so basically just cayenne pepper on top of some turkey bacon with sugar, and then I have
Can I
a
just get a piece of that?
yeah.
Sorry, you want a
Try
piece?
Yeah, of course. Thank you. Hey, co-pilot right here.
it.
Ooh.
Spicy.
Okay, so what we did was we took some cream cheese, we mixed that with sour cream, some garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, not a whole lot. You don't want lemon to take over your dish, and some honey and some black pepper because you got to have the black pepper to bring out all the flavors, right?
Yes.
So we're just gonna put this down. You know, that's gonna be our kind of our cheese mix, right? And then we're going to actually add some more cheese because what's wrong with cheese? You know what I'm saying? So we got Swiss and Gruyere. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, Gruyere.
We trying to be a little fancy sometimes. You know what I'm saying? All right, and some sharp cheddar, right?
Okay.
And I heard somebody talking junk. Yes, this is the cheap cheese,
Look,
but it don't even matter. Okay.
that's okay. Get your food line and your here's Cedar card and keep on going.
I'm cool with a great value. You know what I'm saying? Walmart called me.
It's literally the same bag. They literally just push a different bag under there.
All right, so now we're going with the chicken, which is one of the most important parts, right? Some of the bacon.
That bacon was fire.
I'm gonna say literally fire, you guys. Like my mouth is burning, but it tastes so good.
All right, and then some of the pickled jalapenos. And see, the thing about it is, if you do a regular jalapeno, you have to cut the seeds out, do all this. This is pickled, so it's not going to give you that spice that some people don't want. See what I'm saying? And we don't have a lot of that. So now, all you do is roll it. So you just take it like so. It's like doing the Macarena. You know what I'm saying? Because you do it like that. Hey, Macarena!
Hi.
And then you just put just like this and roll it. And when you get to this point here, take your egg wash.
Oh, so that's how they get it to stick together.
Correct.
Oh.
Now, egg wash is just a little bit of milk with an egg, and you just whisk it up together.
Ah,
And then
okay.
you just roll it like that, and you got your little egg roll right there.
Oh,
Can you
perfect.
drop that in the oil for me?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna keep making these up, Jasmine. What are we drinking today?
So today we're gonna pair those egg rolls up with peach strawberry sangria. So I have 1 carton of strawberries that I cut up into, maybe each strawberry I cut it up into 4 slices. And I have a pitcher here where I filled it up with ice. Then we have some peach vodka here, Ciroc peach vodka, and the Stella Rose peach wine. And usually when I make this, I would add some sliced peaches to it, but it's out of the season, so I couldn't find the peaches that I wanted. So we're gonna make it without the peaches today. So this is really simple. You just take your sliced strawberries and just slide them on in the pitcher. All of them, so we can have a whole lot of it.
So you
I'm
got
doing
your
a lot
ice
of fruit
first.
today.
Oh, a lot of fruit. I love fruit.
Yeah, me
A lot
too.
of fruit.
So your
That's the
ice,
healthy
your
part.
fruit.
The healthy
Okay.
part. There we go. You drink and be healthy.
There we go. Talk to me.
Yep. We just slide all those strawberries in there. All right.
And before I forget, how long does it take for you to, for your egg rolls in the oil?
Just until they get brown, probably about 4 or 5 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. This is something perfect you can do during the holiday season. It doesn't take a lot of time. You see how quick we put this together. The hardest part is just, and it's not even really hard, but the longest part is just roasting your chicken.
Yep. So now you have your bottled wine. You can use peach wine, you can use a white wine, whichever wine you like. Whatever you use, you can pour it in here and make your own.
Jasmine, where you from?
I'm from
You
Virginia.
country, but
I am
wine,
not
get your
country.
white wine.
You can use your white wine, whatever you like. So now you have your vodka. So we're using the Peach Ciroc vodka, and I'm free pouring this, but you can do maybe 2 or 3 ounces.
Okay.
So let's go.
Put a little extra ounce for me.
Okay, a little extra. That's enough. That's probably way too much, but it's gonna be all right. Then you just want to stir it up and mix your strawberries all the way through. so it can go to the bottom and mix it up real good. Now I just gotta get a glass so you can try this thing.
We got some car glass. We need that.
Yeah, I gotta grab some.
I am so excited for
Mix it up
this.
real good. Get some strawberries down the bottom. Okay.
Ooh, and our egg rolls are almost done. I'm gonna look at this in brown. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna show you guys just what it looks like.
That looks good.
It's a little bit too long, but it's okay.
That's all right.
It's all right. It ain't gonna hurt nothing.
That's all right. Yeah. You guys, so this is fresh and crisp. And you see it didn't break apart. I'm glad you gave the tip about the egg wash because that's definitely something I wouldn't have remembered. And if you've caught our show before, we actually did this live where we did Mexican egg rolls. Super dope idea. It was amazing and they taste delicious. Do you mind handing me that plate?
Oh, this is right.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yes, that looks amazing. Needs a couple of napkins just to soak up some of the oil at the bottom. Thank you. Oh, I know. I've been waiting on this all day, you guys, because he makes some bomb egg rolls, and he's like the connoisseur of like making things. So.
Yep.
Okay.
That's my skill as a chef, is my creativity. I mean, I ain't all bougie with the knife skills and all of that, but I am very creative, so
And
thank
that's
God
okay.
for that. You know?
Yes, thank you. I thank you. My stomach thanks you for that. Right.
Thanksgiving just.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to egg rolls and
I'm ready for that.
Yes, so we're gonna have our host come and try some of it. Do you mind?
Oh, I don't mind.
All
I
right.
want her to have some.
Okay.
I've
I've been waiting for this all day.
Thank you. You're welcome. Here's one for you, Ty.
Really?
Get your strawberries in there.
That's
Very
okay.
good. And that's so easy to make.
Yep. Easy and
that
simple.
was
Oh, it
quick.
is really good.
Really?
Okay.
Jasmine, everything Jasmine make be good. You put
And
some
I'm gonna
mint in
stick
here?
around so I can eat your egg roll, right?
Yeah.
Most definitely. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and cut. I should have had a little ranch dipping sauce or something, but
No, I just want to taste
Oh,
that.
you don't
No dipping.
Yeah, this is perfect.
all right there. I don't want to put my hands on your stuff.
Okay, do you guys want to get one too so we can...
Oh,
I don't want to try it without
Take it.
Oh my gosh.
Try it.
How you want one?
Yes, of course. Just a half.
You see, you cut them in half, and you see the cheese
wow.
melting and all of that.
Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, so
Let's eat it.
I'm so thankful for all the things that we get to do on this show. Our amazing chef, to the hosts,
Yes.
beautiful Thanksgiving past episode, to now having sangria, to a wonderful season on Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business. Cheers to the pursuit of happiness. Cheers.
Eat, drink, and handle your business.
Stay tuned for more.
You gotta eat, drink, and handle your business. Shit, eat and drink, and handle your business. Shit, eat and drink, and handle your business. Shit, eat and drink, and handle your business. Shit.